I'm Muzamil. I'm studying BTech first year in SRT College, CAT B section. Today, we discuss the topic is PN junction duet. Introduction to PN junction duet. A PN junction duet is a semiconductor device formed by joining P-type and N-type materials. It allows current to flow primarily in one direction, exhibiting reciprocity behavior. This duo is fundamental in electronic circuit for switching and recertification applications. Structure of p-n junction duet. The duet consists of a thin layer where p-type and n-type materials meet now as the depletion region. The p-type side has an ambulance of holes while the n-type side has execute electrons. Metal contacts are attracted to both regions to connect the duet to external circuit. Formation of the depletion region. When P and N materials are joined, electrons and holes diffuses across the junction, creating a depletion region. This region is deeply of free charge, carries and acts as a barrier to current flow. The width of the depletion layer varies with applied voltage and doping levels. Biasing the duet. Forward bias occurs when the P side is connected to the positive terminal, reducing the barrier for current flow. Reverse bias is when the P side is connected to the negative terminal, increasing the barrier and preventing current flow. Proper biasing controls where the duet contacts or blocks current in a circuit. Characteristics of a PN duet. This duet contacts significant current is forward bias once the threshold voltage is excited. In reverse bias, only a very small leakage current flows until breakdown occurs. The characteristic curve is exponential in the forward direction and nearly flat in reverse bias. Duet equation. The current thought the duet is described by the Shockley duet equation given is the saturation current, Q is the charge of an electron, V is the applied voltage and T is the temperature. This equation helps predict the duet behaves under difference voltage and temperature conditions. Application of PN junction duet. Duets are used for rectification in power supplies to convert AC to DC. They serve as signals. Nomenclatures in radio receivers. Duets are also employed in voltage regulations, slipping and switching circuits. This type of PN junction duets. Standard silicons and germanium duets are the most common types. Ginger duet are designed to operate in breakdown region for voltage regulation. Light emitting diode. LEDs emit light when forward bias used in display and illumination. Limitations and non-identities. Real duets exhibit a forward voltage drop, typically around 0.7 voltage for silicon diodes. They have a maximum reverse voltage behind which breakdown occurs, potentially damaging the device. Temperature variation can affect the diode's current voltage characteristics and performance. Summary and conclusion. The PN junction diode is a currently component in moderate electronic diode. It is rectifiably properties. Its operation is based on the formation and manipulations of depletion region thought basing. Understanding diode behavior enables the design of effective electronic circuits for various applications. Thank you.